Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Boldtrail CRM. In order to do so, here we are at boldtrail.com, and Boldtrail is all about real estate growth. Skyrocket your ROI, boost productivity, and fuel your growth in one seamless ecosystem. And I recommend coming to boldtrail.com and watching the video so that you can get a better idea of what Boldtrail is all about. If you want to gain access to Boldtrail, you can call their sales department. We can also click on get a demo, but before we do that, let's just go ahead and scroll down here and find out a little bit more about what Boldtrail is all about. Experience the most robust next generation real estate tech solution, from an AI-powered smart CRM and customizable IDX websites to lead generation services, recruiting tools, and powerful back office automation. Bring your entire business together and drive scalable growth with Boldtrail. Generate more leads, promote your brand, connect to your customers, transact, streamline, automate, optimize, operate efficiently, effectively, profitably, analyze agent performance, pipeline business growth, recruit top agents, report, prepare, balance, forecast, retain, engage, serve, repeat. A proud partner to hundreds of top real estate brands. So if you need a real estate focused CRM, then you might want to consider Boldtrail. And if you're interested in learning more, then you can come here and put in your information and get a contact from Boldtrail, or you can call them directly. We can also click on get a demo. Just scroll back up here. Let's go ahead and click on that. And that's just going to bring us back down here to the bottom. So if you're interested in taking advantage of Boldtrail and you are in real estate, head over to boldtrail.com. Enter in your information, submit that, or you can call them at the number here. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.